front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. First of all, select an app like browser. Then you need to click on the square button over here and tap at the top right corner of your app. Then select the other one, I will go with messages, and after that you need to hold this little line over here. When the screen gets blurry, you need to swipe your app to the top or to the bottom, and when you're ready, just let go. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards or downwards and click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!